Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how your hormones affect your hunger and fat storage. If you've ever felt like your cravings or stubborn fat just won't budge no matter what you do, this video is a must-watch. I'm going to walk you through the key hormones running the show behind the scenes and give you real tips to get them working with you, not against you. Chapter 1. Ghrelin, the hunger trigger. Let's kick things off with ghrelin, the hunger hormone. Ghrelin is made in your stomach and it gets released when your body senses it's time to eat. It basically shouts at your brain, "Feed me!" Here's something wild: if you don't sleep enough, your ghrelin levels shoot up, making you hungrier the next day. Ever pulled an all-nighter and found yourself raiding the fridge? That's not just you lacking willpower, it's ghrelin cranking your cravings into overdrive. Chapter 2. Leptin, the satiety signal. Chapter 1. Leptin, the satiety signal. Next up is leptin, the I'm full hormone. Leptin is produced by your fat cells, and it tells your brain when you've got enough fuel so you can stop eating. But here's the issue. If you're overweight or you eat a lot of processed foods, your brain can actually become leptin resistant. That means your body's shouting "I'm full," but your brain isn't listening, so you keep feeling hungry. Ever finished a big fast food meal and still want a dessert? That's leptin resistance in action. Chapter 3. Insulin, the fat-storing hormone. Chapter 2. Insulin, the fat-storing hormone. Now let's talk insulin, the fat-storing hormone. After you eat, especially carbs, insulin is released to help move sugar out of your blood and into your cells. The problem? If you're snacking all day or eating a lot of sugar, your insulin stays high, and your body flips the switch to fat storage mode, especially around your belly. For example, if you sip soda or snack all day long, your insulin never drops, so your body just keeps storing fat. Chapter 4. Cortisol, the stress-fat link. Chapter 3. Cortisol, the stress-fat link. Let's move on to cortisol, your stress hormone. When you're stressed, cortisol goes up, and that can seriously mess with both your cravings and your waistline. High cortisol makes you crave high-calorie, sugary foods, and it also signals your body to store more fat, especially around your midsection. Think about those evenings when you're stressed and reach for chips or ice cream. Cortisol is driving that urge. Chapter 5. How to balance your hunger hormones. Now here's how to take control. You don't have to hack your body, just support it. Get 7 to 9 hours of good sleep. This balances ghrelin and leptin. Eat whole, unprocessed foods with plenty of protein and fiber. This keeps your insulin in check. Manage stress with mindfulness, exercise, or just taking breaks. This lowers cortisol. Avoid constant snacking. Let your insulin levels drop between meals. Stay active. Even a 15-minute walk after eating can help lower blood sugar and improve how your hormones respond. Final thoughts. Your hormones, your power. Remember, you don't need to fight your body. Understand your hormones, and you'll see real results. When you sleep well, eat smart, and manage stress, your body will finally start to work for you, not against you. Balance your hormones, and you'll unlock natural fat loss and better hunger control. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end. I'll see you in the next video.